Mr Shonga siqale kumukela nekubonga kuba khona usekhaya ke wena kude longakanani esingakusho kumbe nawungake nje usithi hlaba hlosi Shonge ngalokubonako.
Kukhulu engikubona wena kuhle kakhulu. Ukuthi kulesikhathi manje ukhuluma ngokuthi i-economy iphansi, amabhizinisi aphansi, imali ayikho, so kuba kunqane ukuthi uthole ema companies lasabukete ibhola ukuthi angayifakela imali kakhulu nakudlala bantwana. Ngikhuluma ngama under 13 ngidababita ngabantwana ngoba basebancane. Kepha nje na ibuild it siyabonga ukuthi ikubonile ukuthi isesigabeni ukuthi ingafaka lokho okuncane ukuthi ibagonzela abantwana njengoba kumgcibelo nje asathi ukuthi ngabe bakuphi kweqala lokho kodwa lokuthi bese kuba nale le view yokuthi labantwana basebancane basezingene ukuthi kuningi lebangakufunza bakhule kuko. Ukhuluma ngedevelopment lethingekako emidlalweni wethu webhola ukuthi bantwana babe develop ukuthi nase bafika ebuzaleni babo bathole ukuthi le development yabo isezingeni lelisetulu. Ukhuluma nje iSwatini ayikake yafika ngisho kuma final eKhosafa kodwa sisene maphupho ukuthi maybe singafika ku-AFCON final. Sisesekutse kumele ecale sikhombise idominance la ku local region before sicabange bo-AFCON. La badlali labadeveloper kule simo lesi ngicabanga ukuthi ngibo labantu asifaka ethubeni yokuthi bese siba nebadlali labakwati kona nabafika ku national team bacompete nalabanye. Asengithathe example nje asibukete iSouth Africa. ISouth Africa since iqale kuba ne-disc challenge uyabona ukuthi labadlali le flow yabadlali labaphuma la kule development chain baningi nale standard nje sebhola eSouth Africa sesihle kakhulu. So ubuka the competitive level lesibangene kuso ema club ukhuluma la ngene ku-Champions League aphuma le kuma group stages kuma semi final sometimes bafike na kuma final. Lokho sekwenteka on a regular basis uthola ukuthi there is not just one team, there's 2-3 teams that compete ku CAF competition. This is based on the fact ukuthi development seyikhulile kakhulu and lokho kusitwe yini ukuthi badlali bakwati kube developed at a younger stage lokuthi bakwati lokuqina nase bafika edulu. Italent yona iningi nala Swatini iningi kakhulu italent kodwa it's the development. Nangikhuluma ngedevelopment ngikhuluma ngemuscle development, ngikhuluma ngelung capacity development. Ngito letinto letitsingako nawukhuluma ngelung capacity kuze umdlali adlale i90 minutes effectively kumele kube ne-oxygen le enough la kuma lungs takwati kumsustain adlale. So nangabe logo is not properly developed vele nalama muscle angeke adevelop strong enough to compete. So ngito letinye letinto ngicabanga ukuthi build it itishaye enhloko ngithandaza nje ukuthi baqhubeke nabakithi bayisupport ibhola at this level ngoba ngiko lokutawusita labo coach le ma senior team ukuthi bathole badlali lesengathi baqinile.